Good day. My name is Jasmine Lunario. I am 33 years old. I am single. I work here in Hong Kong 5 months. My previous job in Philippines is I work in a restaurant 5 years. And other work experience also I have. I can do, I can cook a little bit Chinese cuisine. I can take care of pet. Also, I can take care of children. And my personality is I am a friendly person, smiling face, and I can hang with a new friend. Yeah, like that. And also, I prefer to work alone because I want to sleep well. If I have a helper with me, I can sleep well. And yeah, I hope you choose me here in this app. Just message me or contact me here in library helper app. Thank you so much. I hope you contact me.